name's Drew Harris. I work at Agri-Fab in Sullivan, Illinois, and I'm a manufacturing engineer. So at Agri-Fab we make lawn rollers, lawn sweepers, material collection systems. We make carts, push carts and pull carts that you can hook behind your lawnmower. We make sprayers and spreaders. A lot of our products are used for cleaning up yards, maintaining yards, spreading fertilizer, spraying whatever you need, pesticides, weed killer, anything like that. So back in 1975, when a local plant here shut down, 6 of those employees founded Agri-Fab, pooled all their resources together and a lot from the community, pulled everything together and started Agri-Fab. Since it was a lawn and garden type factory already, a lot of that mindset and expertise were here, and that's why they went the direction they did. And then from there it's just grown. I'm a 3rd generation employee here at Agri-Fab. My grandfather was one of the original founders, and a lot of my family's worked here, and it's really special to us what we can do for the community, provide jobs, and do any reach out we can anytime. We are a company founded on faith and with a focus on community, relationships, and innovations. So Agri-Fab in general, we have a ton of capability. We get in raw material for our fabrication department. We do stamping, press work. We do machining, laser. Then after all those component parts are made, we will take it to welding, get everything assembled, send it through media blast and cleaning, send it to the paint line, and then onto assembly and out the door from there. So this is our 3rd CMAX system we have at Agri-Fab. Our first was in the media blast area, our 2nd in the laser department, and our 3rd now in welding, and all 3 have been performing great and running above and beyond our expectations. Overall, my experience with Imperial Systems has been a positive one. Obviously on a project this size there's going to be hiccups along the way, but we were able to address everything we needed to and come to a happy end result. Safety is a main priority here at Agri-Fab, and this system with safety in mind, all the key features on it is really why we wanted to go with it. We're able to keep the air clean, we're able to keep the employees safe and healthy,